class 1. Welcome back. So, I'm here with a new story from your book, New Images. Today we are going to study second chapter of your English course book, and the name of the chapter is The Red Raincoat. The name of the chapter is The Red Raincoat. Okay, and the red raincoat is about a little child who has just received a red raincoat as a present and can't wait to wear it. Does it rain, and does he get to wear the raincoat? Find out in the story. Now, the story is about a little boy Manu who has got a red raincoat, isn't it? And the day when he gets the raincoat, from that day onward, he started waiting कि मेरे को कब रेनकोट जल्दी से पहनने के लिए मिलेगा. Okay, so let us read the story. So here, on Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. On Sunday, SUNDAY, Sunday. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Here the name of the boy is Manu. And on that day only, he asked, "Ma, may I wear it now? माँ, क्या मैं इसे अभी पहन सकता हूँ?" "No, my dear, the rains are near, but just now the sky is clear," said माँ. माँ ने कहा, नहीं नहीं, अभी नहीं, बारिश होने वाली है, लेकिन अभी आकाश बिल्कुल साफ है. जब बारिश होती है तो क्या होता है? आकाश घने हो जाते हैं, है ना? The cloud becomes dark. But on Sunday, the clouds were, the sky was clear. So Ma said, "No, my dear, rains are near, but just now the sky is clear." Now, again the Sunday went, बारिश नहीं हुई, तो मनु ने रेनकोट भी नहीं पहना. Now after Sunday what comes? It comes Monday. On Monday also Manu was thinking that शायद बारिश हो जाए, isn't it? But Monday was bright and sunny. On Monday there were no clouds and it was bright and sunny. उस दिन एकदम साफ था and the day was sunny. Will it rain today, Ma? asked Manu. लेकिन फिर भी उसने पूछा, क्या आज बारिश होगी? No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny. माँ समझ गई कि इसे तो रेनकोट पहनना है. तभी उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, अगर तुम अभी रेनकोट पहनोगे, आज रेनकोट पहनोगे तो बहुत फनी लगोगे. Oh, then the Monday also gone. Then after Monday, which day comes? Tuesday. Now let us see what happens on Tuesday. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. The sky was blue. Ma, when will my wish come true? उसने अपनी मम्मी को पूछा कि मम्मी मेरी विश कब पूरी होगी? Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said Ma. आज तो पूरी नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि आज तो बारिश होने वाली नहीं है, isn't it? And after Tuesday, Wednesday was also hot. Wednesday को भी बहुत गर्मी थी. उस दिन भी बारिश का कोई भी चांस नहीं था. So till now in the story what happened? On Sunday, Manu got the red raincoat and he wanted to wear, but that day there were no rains. On Monday it was bright and sunny. On Tuesday the sky was blue and on Wednesday it was very hot. नाउ वेडनेसडे ऑल्सो वेंट, वेडनेसडे भी आया चला गया. ओके, सो वेडनेसडे वॉज हॉट. माँ, वाई डजंट इट रेन? आस्क्ड मनु. उसने मम्मी से पूछा, मम्मी बारिश क्यों नहीं हो रही? देन माँ सेड, सन, आई थिंक इट विल रेन वेरी सून. माँ को लगा, माँ ने कहा मुझे लगता है कि बारिश बहुत जल्द हो जाएगी. ओके, मे बी इवन बिफोर नून. माँ ने कहा शायद आज बारिश हो जाएगी. ओके, लेकिन शायद बारिश नहीं हुई. देन वेडनेसडे ऑल्सो वेंट, वेडनेसडे भी आया चला गया. देन आया थर्सडे, THURSDAY. जब थर्सडे आया, मनु वेंट ऑन अ पिकनिक. थर्सडे को मनु कहाँ गया? पिकनिक गया. What if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me? asked मनु. उसने मम्मा से पूछा, मम्मा अगर बारिश हो गई तो क्या मैं अपना रेनकोट लेके जाऊं? No my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky, said माँ. माँ ने कहा नहीं नहीं नहीं, आज बारिश नहीं होगी. जो बादल है वो बहुत ऊपर है, इसीलिए आज लेके नहीं जाओ. And finally the Friday was FRIDAY, Friday. When Friday came, it was cloudy. The weather was cloudy that day. Cloudy means आसमान में बादल दिख रहे थे. Friday was cloudy. माँ, will it rain today? asked Manu loudly. उसने बहुत एक्साइटमेंट में बहुत जोर से पूछा, मम्मी आज बारिश होगी क्या? It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said माँ. हो सकता है आज बारिश हो जाएगी, क्योंकि आज जो बादल है वो डार्क भी हैं और थोड़े नीचे भी हैं. And Friday it did not rain, but on Saturday it began with a bang. Saturday को बहुत जोर की बारिश हुई and it was like, it is written here, बड़ा boom. बहुत जोरों की बारिश हुई. माँ, is that thunder? I hear. Will it rain very soon? बारिश से पहले क्या हुई? बहुत जोर से थंडर हुआ. थंडर मतलब बिजली चमकी. इतने जोर की बिजली चमकी कि मनु को तो एकदम मीन्स he was quite sure कि अब तो बारिश जरूर होगी, क्योंकि मैंने थंडर सुनी है. And then at last it started raining. And on Saturday it started raining and Manu was very happy when it started raining. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu running out. और वो गाना गाने लगा, it's raining, and Manu running out, but Manu called Ma running after him, you forgot your raincoat. और मनु बारिश देखकर इतना खुश हो गया कि वो गाते गाते नाचते नाचते बाहर की तरफ चला गया और उसे ये भी याद नहीं रहा कि मुझे रेनकोट लेना है. Then what did Mama say? Mama said, but Manu running after him, उससे पीछे दौड़ते हुए गई और मम्मा ने कहा कि अरे तुम तो अपना रेनकोट भूल ही गए. So this was a story in which on Sunday Manu got the raincoat and after waiting for a week it finally rained on Saturday. But that day also Manu forgot his raincoat. Now tell me, did you like it? I hope you must have liked it. Now I have some oral questions to you. You have to answer me. And the first question is, what was the color of Manu's raincoat? Manu के raincoat का color क्या था? Manu's raincoat was red in color. Okay. Who presented him the raincoat? Manu को raincoat किसने दिया था? On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. मतलब मनु के पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें रेनकोट दिया था. Now, what happened on Monday? Sunday it was not raining. What happened on Monday? Monday was bright and sunny. And on Tuesday, what happened on Tuesday? On Tuesday, the sky was blue. And what happened on Wednesday? It was hot. Wednesday was hot. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic, but there were no sign of raining. On Friday, there were little clouds. Okay, there were little clouds, and they were dark and they were low. And on Saturday, it finally rained. So here we have revised the chapter also. Now I am giving you one work to do in your notebook. That here there are 3 word meanings in your book. On page number 13 it is, there are 2, and on page number 15 there is 1. You need to write the word meanings in your notebook. आपको notebook में क्या लिखना है? Word meanings लिखना है. और उसके बाद you have to draw and color pictures of the things that we use when it rains. After that, what you need to do? You need to draw and color one umbrella, a pair of gumboots, and what else? And a raincoat, because these are the things that we use during rains. So these 2 things you need to do in your classwork notebook. After that, please open your books. Open page number 16. Page number 16. Page number 16. It is exercise A1. Choose the correct answer, put a tick. That means you have been given 3 sentences. Okay. And in 3 sentences, in every sentence there are 2 options. One is correct and one is incorrect. तो जो correct है उसे हमें tick करना है. Okay. Manu's parents get him a red dash. मनु के पेरेंट्स ने मनु के लिए क्या लाया? A says red umbrella and B says red raincoat. So the answer is raincoat. Number 2. The sky is blue. The sky is dash on Tuesday. Sunday बारिश नहीं हुई. Monday was hot and bright and sunny. And Tuesday the sky was dash. 2 colors are given. A says blue and B says black. And the answer is the sky was blue on Tuesday. Now the next is it rains on dash. Third says it rains on dash. बारिश कब हुई थी? Sunday को मिला raincoat. Monday was bright and sunny. Tuesday was the sky was blue, and Wednesday it was very hot. There were no rains on Thursday. Friday it was cloudy, and finally on Saturday it rained. So option A is Wednesday and option B is Saturday, and this is the correct answer. So here we have done the narration of the story, and you have to write word meanings in your notebook. You have to draw and color the pictures of raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. And fourth, we did choose the correct. Next class, you have to sit with your notebook and we will do the question answers of the lesson, the red raincoat. Okay. Raincoat, and in here and A2 exercise there are 3 questions. There are 3 questions, and okay, we can do the revision of class. Okay, let us do the oral part today. In the next class we will do it in the notebook. Okay, so here the question is, answer these questions. In your notes it is page number 3. How is the weather on Monday? How is the weather on Monday? Monday का वेदर कैसा था? वेदर का मतलब होता है बाहर का मौसम. ओके, उस दिन का मौसम कैसा था? How was the weather on Monday? The weather on Monday was bright and sunny. The weather on Monday was bright and sunny. The weather on Monday was bright and sunny. Question number 2. Where does Manu go on Thursday? Thursday को मनु कहाँ गया था? Again I am revising Sunday to Saturday. On Sunday he got a red raincoat. Monday was bright and sunny. Tuesday was, the sky was blue. Wednesday the day was hot. And on Thursday there were no rains, but on that day Manu went on a picnic. So Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. The question is, where does Manu go on Thursday? Manu Thursday को कहाँ जाता है? So Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. So next is question number 3. When it starts raining on Saturday, जब Saturday को बारिश होने लगती है, what does Manu do? Manu क्या करता है फिर? When it starts raining on Saturday, Manu runs out and forgets his raincoat. जब Saturday को बारिश होने लगती है, तो मनु बाहर की तरफ भागता है और अपना रेनकोट भूल जाता है. And next, exercise A3. Exercise A3. Remember, we will do the question answers in the next class. The written part we will do in the next class. Today I will give you all the oral answers. Okay. The notebook work we will do in the next class. Now A3. A3 is think and answer, and this is your oral part. In book it is your page number 16, and in your notes it is on page number 4. Think and answer orally. You learned that raincoats protect us from rain. रेनकोट हमें बारिश से बचाते हैं. What other things do we use when it rains? रेनकोट के अलावा और हम कौन सी चीजें यूज करते हैं जब बारिश होती है? The things other than raincoat are umbrella and gumboots. रेनकोट के साथ, रेनकोट के अलावा और दो कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हम लोग जब बारिश होती है तो यूज करते हैं? And those things are The things other than raincoat are umbrella and gumboots. The things other than raincoat are umbrella and gumboots. Again I am repeating the question. You learned that raincoats protect us from rain. What other things do we use when it rains? हमने जाना कि रेनकोट हमें बारिश से बचाता है, तो और कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं जब बारिश होती है? And the answer is the other things other than raincoat are umbrella and gumboots. They are umbrella and gumboots. Gumboots are the long shoes. Okay, that is used during rains. Now, second question is, Ma, will it rain today? मनु ने पूछा, will it rain today? मनु हमेशा मम्मी से क्या पूछता था? माँ, will it rain today? क्या आज बारिश होगी? Why does Manu say this? Why does he wait for the rain to come? उसे बारिश का इतना ज्यादा इंतजार क्यों था? Why he was waiting for the rain to come? And the answer is, Manu waits for the rain to come so that he could put on his new raincoat. मनु बारिश का वेट इसलिए कर रहा था ताकि वो अपना न्यू रेनकोट पहन सके. Manu waits for the rain to come so that he could put on his new raincoat. Manu waits for the rain to come so that he could put on his new raincoat. मनु बारिश का इसलिए वेट कर रहा था ताकि वो अपना नया रेनकोट पहन सके. अच्छा, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई नई चीज आपके पास हो, है ना, एंड उसे हम जो है ना यूज करने के लिए बहुत वेट करते हैं. जैसे कि मान लो कि आपके पास कोई नई ड्रेस है, तो हम वेट करते हैं ना कि कोई स्पेशल डे आए तो हम वो ड्रेस पहने, है ना. सपोज जैसे न्यू ड्रेस हो गया, अम्ब्रेला हो गया, गमबूट्स हो गया, है ना. एंड सपोज इट इज विंटर सीजन. ठीक है, विंटर सीजन आने वाली है और आपने ना बहुत सुंदर सा एक जैकेट लिया है, ठीक है, जो कि मामा ने मना किया है कि घर पे नहीं पहनना है इसे, जब हम कहीं बाहर घूमने जाएंगे तब आप पहन सकते हो. तो आप डेली मामा से पूछोगे ना, मामा आज बाहर जा रहे हैं क्या? मामा पूछेगी क्यों? तो नहीं, वो बस, है ना. सो इन दिस मैनर मनु वॉज ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर द रेन टू कम, कि बारिश कब होगी तो मैं रेनकोट पहनूंगा, बारिश कब होगी तो मैं रेनकोट पहनूंगा. नाउ after A3 I'm going to do A5. It is also orally only, as we have discussed A4. A4 पहले ही हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है कि Saturday, Tuesday, Thursdays, then Sunday, Monday and Wednesday, how was the day? Okay, let me repeat it one more time. A4 asks you that you need to say that how was the day in each day. Sunday, Manu gets the red raincoat. After that it is Tuesday, the sky was blue. After that it is Thursday, Manu goes on a picnic. Saturday को क्या हुआ? The rain began with a bang. बहुत जोर से बारिश हुई. Monday, it was bright and sunny. Monday को क्या था? Bright and sunny. And Wednesday, it was hot. And Friday, It was cloudy. It was cloudy. Now A5. I am doing all these orally because this is the first day of this chapter. Then later chapters, in the later classes, we will do it. You will do it with pencils. Okay, we will do the written work. Now A5 asks you rhyming words. I have told you in the April session also what are rhyming words. Rhyming words have same ending sound. है ना? जैसे sun, fun, goat, boat, boy, toy. So in A5, here it is on page number 17 in your book, and on your notes it is on page number 5. Page number 17, where it is. Yes. See, here it is given. A5. Learn interesting things. You learn what rhyming words are in chapter 1. Find out words that rhyme with the following words in the story. The first is near. The answer is deer. The rhyming word is deer. Second is sunny. The rhyming word is funny. And the third is true. And the third is, where shall I write it? I am writing here, see. The third is true. And the rhyming word is blue. And one more I have written from my side, that is rain and pain. This is not from the story. I have written it just to add one more rhyming word. Rain, pain. Okay. So here I am ending today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.